So if you saw the repair to this, quite a few snags, and it's one we've previously seen probably about 3 years ago. Time's taken its toll, and we've got intermittent, this, I think they said intermittent transmit. So tighten up the aerial socket, just a matter of course. The PACB switches was faulty, but there was a bar out on the display. So what we've done is we've used the front panel off a scrap set. When that includes the CBPA switch, we've actually fixed those two problems in one fell swoop. And then we've got an intermittent choke on the aerial, on the microphone common connection, the ground. So now all that's sorted, it's a fine and dandy set once again. These are good. Don't be put off by some of the other Kernow products. These work very well. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, just get the aerial. No, we won't. We'll get the extension speaker plugged in.
Roger that. Let me know when you're ready.
I'm now ready.
Roger, off we go.
Roger diddly dodger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger, on this radio there's no tone control.
Roger that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger that.
Service station 151.9 and 171.9.
Roger on that.
Square wheeled up to Lancaster Crossroads, but the lights are green, so we're about to go.
Roger.
Right, we're now passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger.
Top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford.
Already got you top of the hill. What's the temperature out there?
36.
Right, yeah.
It's 36 when I got in the car. I thought, well, it'll come down a bit as I drive, but it hasn't.
No. going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford, over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on the Kernow Beta 1100. Yeah, on 2794 approved radio from about 1995. 1 watt output. That's a good way to market.
Yep, roger that, all received, no problems.
Roger, Dodger.
And hopefully the display on that works alright.
Thank you, the display works alright.
I'm following two sports cars doing 30 miles an hour.
You know your aerials are scared.
Yeah, I don't think so. Perhaps they're too hot. There's certainly no aircon in the rear one with no roof. Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing.
What you got here, level crossing?
Roger, I know some raw speed up, but you're not correcting yourself.
Just over a minute.
Passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you the Grayleys turn.
Roger.
Radio seems to be very good today.
Say again.
Radio condition seems to be very good today, over.
That makes a change.
Not getting any illegal rubbish or foreign things.
Good. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
You got you the 5 mile point. I'm on this Beta 1100 Kernow radio from 1995-ish, using standard replacement mic, doing full forward output and drawing down into 20 milliamps. So it's very efficient. It doesn't have low power, so that's it. Over.
Yep, roger that. I'll receive, no problems.
John, that's off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Done now.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Looks like they're going to work
Yep, 151.9 and 171.9.
that worked very well indeed. Radio conditions were ideal. And 10-10.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today? At that end, please, over.
Yep, 151.9 and 171.9.
Well, that worked very well indeed. Radio conditions were ideal. Thanks, and 10-10.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Well, that's worked the best for weeks. Apart from that Midland 4001. It's not because the radios work different, it's the radio conditions, isn't it? Right, we'll go over to our Midland 76900 base station and we'll see how that sounds into that.
Tango 21 testing the Kernow Beta 1100 from about 1995 into our Midland 76900 base station. This using standard replacement mic, and that's it. So one more on the air test to do for this organisation at Bury, and that's the Binatone Route 66 we did a couple of weeks ago. It's just the only outstanding air test to do. I've probably been moving on to another box. We've got trucking and farming, we've got another dealer. Do you know what, I might just slot in an end user's walkie-talkie tomorrow. Thanks for watching.